Is there any new business to come before the assembly?
Mr. President,
Jade,
I move that our chapter host a local employment skills LDE and career fair for all members during National FFA Week. Second.
it's been moved and seconded that our chapter hosts a local LDE skills and career fair for all members during National FFA Week. This is not amendable or
Point of
debatable.
order.
State your point.
The main motion is debatable and amendable.
Point taken. We're now back to the motion which states our chapter hosts a local employment skills LDE and career fair for all members during National FFA Week.
Mr. President,
President Jade.
I think that this is a good idea because it will help our members achieve what they want to be when they grow up and help them. So please vote up.
Mr. President,
Down.
as sophomores, most of us do not know what we want to be when we grow up, so I do not think this is a topic for us to be discussing. Thank you for voting down with me.
Mr. President.
Asia.
Us being sophomores, this would be a good time for us to start reaching out and trying to figure out what we want to do or get an idea. We don't have to find out right away, but just to get an idea. So please vote.
Mr. President.
Jared.
I believe we shouldn't have this because we do not know when and where we're going to have this.
Mr.
Mr. President, I think it is a good idea because it fits into our program of activities with strengthening agriculture and growing leaders. So thank you for voting up.
Mr. President,
Asia.
I believe that this is a good idea because we could do it out on the front lawn because in our world today we can't have big gatherings, but if we can social distance outside, then it would be a good thing. So please vote.
Mr. President.
Jade.
Dallin has said that we are sophomores and that we should not be making this decision. I think that our members are not just sophomores, and some of them are seniors and are going to college soon and should know why they're going to college. I think that we should give them the opportunity to have this event. So please vote up.
Mr. President.
Jared.
I believe we shouldn't have this because during National FFA Week, FFA is very busy and doing other things, and we do not need to worry about a fair that we will host. Please vote
Mr.
down.
President,
Down.
as Jared said, MFA week is very busy. We do not need another thing on our plate that will take time of our other things that are scheduled. Thank you for voting down with me.
Mr. President,
Kyle.
I move to refer to a committee appointed by the chair and report back Tuesday at 3 p.m.
Second.
It's been moved and seconded to refer to a committee appointed by the chair and report back Tuesday. Is there any discussion?
Mr. President,
Kyle.
I think it's a good idea so we can get other people's input on the fair. So thank you for voting up.
Mr. President.
Asia.
I do not believe this is a good idea because we should figure it out upon ourselves and not have to put it in other people's hands. Please vote down.
Mr. President.
Jared.
If we are going to refer this to a committee, I believe we should have more than just 3, maybe 5 or more for this. So please vote down.
Any more discussion? Seeing none, we'll proceed to vote on referring to a committee appointed by the chair, reporting back on Tuesday. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, same sign.
Aye.
Motion failed. We're now back to the main motion, which states our chapter should host a local employment skills LDE and career fair for all members during National FFA Week. Is there any more discussion?
Mr. President,
Jade,
I rise for a question of privilege.
state your question.
May I loosen my tie?
No, you may not.
Thank you.
We are now back to the main motion, which states that our chapter hosts a local employment skills LDE and career fair for all members during National FFA Week. Is there any more discussion?
Mr. President,
Asia.
I believe that this would be a good idea because it could prepare us for our future and give us skills that we can later use once we get back into the workforce. So please vote on it.
Mr. President.
Now,
I move to recess for 3 minutes.
is there a second? It's been moved to recess for 3 minutes. This is not debatable, but is amendable. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, same sign.
Aye.
Motion failed. We're now back to the main motion, which states our chapter hosts a local employment skills LDE and career fair for all members during FFA Week. Is there any more discussion?
Mr. President,
Adrian.
I move to amend this motion to strike out the words members and restate that I move that our chapter hosts a local employment skills LDE and career fair for the whole school during National FFA Week.
Second.
It's been moved and seconded to amend the motion by striking out the words members and making the motion state our chapter hosts a local employment skills LDE and career fair for the whole school during National FFA Week. Is there any more discussion?
Mr. President.
Jared.
I believe we shouldn't have this because if we have the whole school, then we would need more than just the FFA to help us, and that would take time. And FFA week is approaching very fast, and we do not have enough time for that.
Mr. President,
Now,
I do not think that we should do this since our cases of COVID-19 in Allen County have been rising and we do not want to infect the whole school. Thank you for voting down with me.
Mr. President,
Todd,
I think it's a good idea to open it up to the whole school because I know people that are involved with agriculture but are not involved in FFA. So this can help them figure it out. So thank you for voting up with me.
Mr. President,
Jay,
I think that we should hold this for the whole school because we can have it outside and safely social distance. So please vote up.
Mr. President,
Ethan,
FFA week is in the third week of February, so I think it would give us time to figure this out. And we should do the whole school because some kids don't have as much opportunity as others. So if we help them out, maybe they can get an idea of what they want to do. So please vote.
Mr. President,
now,
as Jaden said, she wants to hold it outside in the front yard, but since it is in February, it will be pretty chilly, and we do not want the whole school getting sick from being outside for so long in the cold. Thank you for voting down with me.
is there any more discussion? Seeing none, we'll proceed to vote on the amendment, which states our chapter hosts a local employment skills, LDE, and career fair for the whole school during FFA week. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, same sign.
Aye.
Motion passed. We are now to the main motion, which states the Iowa FFA should host a local employment skills, LDE, and career fair for all members during National FFA week. Is there any discussion?
Mr. President,
Adrian.
I believe that we should do this because it could get more kids to go into the workforce and not do anything after high school. So please vote up.
Mr.
President.
Here,
I call for a previous question.
previous question has been called for. Should we consider the previous question? All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, same sign.
Aye.
Motion failed.
Mr. President,
Jared.
I call for a division of assembly.
Division of assembly has been called for. All in favor, raise your right hand. 2, you may put them down. All opposed, raise your right hand. 3, you may put them down. Motion failed. Now back to the main motion, which states our chapter hosts a local employment skills, LDE, and career fair for all members during National FFA week. Is there any more discussion?
Mr. President,
Adrian.
I move to suspend the rules that we don't wear official dress at our next meeting.
Second.
It's been moved and seconded to suspend the rules of not wearing official dress at our next meeting. This is not debatable, it is amendable. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, same sign.
Aye.
Motion passed. We are now back to the main motion, which states our chapter should host a local employment skills, LDE, and career fair for all members during National FFA week. Is there any more discussion?
Mr. President,
Kyle.
I think it's a good thing that we open it up to the whole school because not only can it help people figure out what they want to go into, but it can also help bring people into FFA so we have more members. So thank you for voting up.
Is there any more discussion? Now we will proceed to vote on the main motion, which states our chapter hosts a local employment skills, LDE, and career fair for all members during National FFA week. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, same sign.
Aye.
Motion passed.
Mr. President,
Kyle,
I move to adjourn this meeting.
is there a second?
Second.
It's been moved and seconded to adjourn this meeting. This is not debatable or amendable. So all in favor, say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, same sign. Motion passed, meeting adjourned.